Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about something that affects every one of us, that is inflammation. You may know it by its 5 cardinal signs: heat, pain, swelling, redness, and loss of function. But did you know that it can also manifest as weight gain and making it really hard to shed those last extra few pounds? Many of us do not associate what we put into our mouths, what we're eating, as a lead cause to the signs and symptoms that we're experiencing. What we eat plays a huge role in how our bodies feel. Spicy and acidic food can really lead to pitta, heat, leading to inflammation and discomfort in the body. And I'll share with you my personal strategy and how I managed to reduce inflammation in my body, which not only has helped me feel better, but also resulted in fat loss, even after becoming a third-time mum in my 40s. So if you're looking to balance your pitta and promote a healthier lifestyle, stick around and let's dive into some delicious cooling, eating and lifestyle habits that can help you on this journey. First of all, let's talk about inflammation. It's your body's natural response to injury or infection. But it's when it sticks around in the body for far too long that it starts to cause problems like autoimmune disease, heart disease, arthritis, cancer, obesity, and even cognitive decline. And if you've been following me for a while, or you've looked into my holistic health membership, you would know that this is the type of issue that we tackle for breakfast. If you're new here, hi, I'm Amrita Devi, Ayurvedic practitioner and natural health expert, and I help people reverse chronic health issues with the power of herbs, diet, and lifestyle choices. Through years of my own experience and research, I've discovered that there is one crucial thing that people are often missing out. Are you ready for it? It is change your diet and lifestyle, and you will change your life. We are cosmic beings, so we're connected to the cycles of the sun and the moon. We are connected to the cycles throughout our day. And when we align with those, we begin to start healing. When we start aligning with the seasonal foods that are most rich in antioxidants, and we start creating a diet and a lifestyle around choices that are made for our individual constitution, otherwise known in Ayurveda as your dosha, that's when we start to thrive. That's when we start to bloom into our optimal health and well-being. Now let's talk about stress, the modern day nemesis, where it can sneak into our lives in so many ways, mentally, physically, emotionally, and even in our environments. And a little bit can keep us sharp, but a lot and over a long term, this can cause major issues with our health and well-being. In fact, it's a recipe for disaster. It really messes with our gut microbiome, which can then spark inflammation. Yikes. So what can we do about this? Ayurveda offers us some tools to cool down those pitta imbalances, which are often the cause of this type of inflammatory conditions. So here are some simple yet effective tips. Start by increasing cooling, hydrating, and alkalizing foods into your diet. So these include foods like cucumbers, ghee, grapes, pomegranates, and the leafy greens into your meals. And these are nature's helpers in reducing inflammation. Cruciferous vegetables like green cabbage, broccoli, pak choi, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cauliflower provide anti-inflammatory benefits. When you're craving something creamy and delicious, put in avocado to your food. It's not only a treat for your taste buds, but it's also a powerful ally against inflammation. Avoid spicy foods. When we talk about spicy foods, I'm talking the cayenne peppers and things like this. Stay away from spicy and acidic foods, especially nightshades and tomatoes and peppers. And avoid overeating, heating foods such as nuts and tahini and salty soy sauce, vinegar and alcohol, because these also increase heat in the body and increase inflammation. Make sure that your diet includes stress-reducing techniques. If you're not already incorporating yoga, meditation and gentle walks in nature, then you're missing out on so much. These are positive stressors for your body that it thrives on. So these practices really significantly lower cortisol and in return inflammation. Sleep is key. Never underestimate the power of good night's sleep. Establishing a routine to help your body to recover is essential. Get your herbal helpers. So let's not forget these amazing herbs in Ayurveda has to offer. For example, aloe vera is a great aid in healing, while amla is also a powerhouse for vitamin C and antioxidants. And who doesn't love ginger and turmeric? They're not just only flavorful, but they have incredible anti-inflammatory agents to add to your food and your drinks. Here are some standout herbs that we use in Ayurveda. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb. It helps to combat stress and inflammation. And you can start with a half a teaspoon of dry powder, about 250 to 500 milligrams a day. Amla is packed with antioxidants. It's a fantastic overall rejuvenator, and you can take it in a powder form or capsule form. Turmeric is an active compound, curcumin, which works wonders against inflammation. Just remember to use it in moderation, especially if you do have a pitta imbalance and a sensitivity to heat. I'm going to show you how to make an anti-inflammatory tea with the powdered amla. Mix the amla powder with the turmeric and some water. Put some jaggery sugar or some coconut sugar and grated ginger in, and it's done. Next up, we have another tonic tea, a turmeric milk, made with a milk of your choice, some turmeric powder, some cardamom powder, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Mix that together until it's frothy, and then add a sweetener of your choice, such as maple syrup or coconut sugar. Add in a teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil and sprinkle atop a rose petal. And if you're looking for more recipes that are anti-inflammatory, go to the Ayurveda Anytime website to find a whole selection for you. AyurvedaAnytime.com. If you found the information in this video helpful, then do give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and do share this video with a friend. It could really help them. Let's spread the word about the healing power of Ayurveda. And as always, drop your thoughts and your questions below in the comment section. Let me know if you've tried our recipe and if you've made any tweaks and adjustments for yourself. And until next time, take care and stay healthy.